this is phenomenal, right? There's just no other way to talk about this. This is 4,000 Bitcoin a day. This is like 10 times the daily supply after the halving. So this is, I don't even know what to say here. I mean, it just continues and continues and continues. The beautiful thing about the ETFs is like 9:30 a.m. rolls around and it's like TikTok, another 250 million needs to go into these ETFs. That's what's happening right now. And I don't believe this is going to stop anytime soon because, like I said, they've put in $10 billion for BlackRock to put in 1% of just their AUM. 10 billion is total, but if just BlackRock 1% of their AUM is $100 billion. So this can continue for a very, very long time. The one interesting thing that I am looking forward to seeing is that the dollar value keeps going up on a daily basis, or at least maintains, but the Bitcoin per day that they're buying comes down, which basically means that the Bitcoin price is moving up. And that's what I think we're going to see. I think we could get to a point where we still see the $300 million a day, but the number of Bitcoin that they're buying goes down to 2,500, right? And I think that's extremely bullish. But here's what I think is going to happen. The one thing that we're struggling with right now is that we have not managed to do a solid close above 69,500. That to me is the deciding factor on once we've broken through this previous all-time high. We must close above it. So while everyone's very excited about hitting 70 and this, that, and the other, it always comes down before the price, before the close. We are looking for the close. You and I here are looking for the close. Let everyone else be the happy hippies and jump around and celebrate however they want. You and I are looking for the close above 69.5. And when that happens, this is what my prediction is. When we close 69.5, right, decidedly close it, within 40 trading sessions, so it could be within 10, it could be 20, it could be 30, but within 40 trading sessions, I think the price of Bitcoin will be $100,000. And I want you to remember that and just look for that. So remember, listen to what I'm saying. For some reason I say shit and people on the internet just sort of imagine I've said something completely different. After we decidedly close a daily candle above 69,500, within 40 market trading sessions, right? Could be 2, could be 4, could be 40, right? Within 40 market trading sessions, we will be above or touch, let's just say touch or above $100,000 per Bitcoin. That's what I think is going to happen, and that's what I'm looking forward to here. And I've been adjusting a few of my positions to take advantage of that now that we've gotten so close to this all-time high. But this is extremely exciting. 800,956 Bitcoin. I always predicted I think the ETFs will control around 2.2 million Bitcoin, within a cycle and a half, something like that. And it's looking certainly very, very exciting. And the train is not slowing down. 4,438 Bitcoin a day is absolutely fucking ridiculous. And if you're sitting there going, hey, should I allocate more? There's people that are talking about Bitcoin that aren't even allocated, right? They're not even allocated yet. They're putting single-digit percentages of their net worth into Bitcoin at this point. And you got to think about, like, what is the purpose of your wealth? Does your wealth want a purpose within the next 30 to 40 years? If it does, well, this is the future of where the world is going. Larry Fink is out on Fox News, CNBC, everywhere, talking about how Bitcoin will protect you against your own government. What the hell are we dealing? Like, what are we dealing with? This is Larry Fink talking and telling people that Bitcoin will protect you against the printing by the U.S. government. I mean, I don't think anyone would have expected this level of progress to be made on Bitcoin marketing by the new head of Bitcoin marketing. So secure your position, stop fucking around. You're going to miss the boat. Like, once we get to $100,000, the majority of the world is absolutely and utterly priced out, including the majority of the middle class in the U.S. And then we start focusing on people with a $2 to $7 million net worth, and we price them out. So here's the most important thing. There's only 3 rules to Bitcoin. Step number 1, you buy Bitcoin. Step number 2, shut the fuck up. And step number 3, you get fabulously wealthy.